Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy and fun colorful nail stamp design. So I'm using this nail plate by Born Pretty. It's BPL 027. It has a lot of fun abstract nail designs on it. And I wanted to add a bunch of colors on, like I said, this is like a shattered glass look. It kind of gave it like a stained glass look once I was done with it, I have to say. I'm using summer colors, of course. I'm really into the neons and the bright colors. It's summer. Go crazy with the colors. Now I'm going to mix the colors together. I only do this 2 times. I just go across just to kind of blend the colors together, but don't overdo it, because what will happen is it will mix together and be a one blur of a color, and you won't like that. And then I just applied it onto my nails. I removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails. This is a really easy design that you can do with any color combos you want. I hope I made this video really easy for you guys to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.